good.
Ano kami sa Grom.
Really?
Kunin namin sa Lexi. We pick up Lexi.
Yes, we do.
Dito sa Gromer.
Hello, ladies.
Oh, where's Lexi?
Perfect. You betcha. You know my deal, don't you?
Kunin na namin si Cute Lexi.
There you go. That's for the mommy.
You're
There you
excited.
go. So happy girl.
You're excited. You're excited. Pretty Lexi. Lexi is pretty. Ah, you're pretty now, Lexi. Ang bango na niya, guys. So, ang bango na. She's so pretty now. Ang bango-bango na ni Lexi. Bagong paligo. Bagong gupet. See? Say, Lexi. Say hi. Kami guys sa Arlington. 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 Arlington.
Oh, you're right.
Huh?
Okay. I gave you 100. Plus 5.
Anong ginagawa?
So 75. This is yours. Get that one.
Oh, thank you.
I was going to say, you gave it back to me for some reason. All right, we'll see you tonight.
All right.
We're going to walk back to Bluebird. The gal's going to see the dog.
Oh, yeah.
We love her.
Oh, I bet.
We go there we have lunch every year. Every time we come see, we have lunch with them.
Oh, nice. Go somewhere else. Yeah, go let her.
Stay cool, ladies. Okay.
Let's
show.
go. We back to the Bluebird Cafe. You're so pretty now.
Yeah, she's a pretty
Ay.
puppy. Yes, she was.
Bango. Dito guys, pagtatawid ka, hindi mo na kailangan mangamba kasi sila yung hihinto para sa'yo. Hindi nakakatakot tumawid. Hihinto yung sasakyan. Sa atin, ako, masagasaan ka. Dito sila hihinto. Pag nakita nila na may patawid, hihinto sila kusa. Here? Kaya hindi ka maano guys, mangangamba. Sila hihinto sa'yo. Kagaya niyan guys, huminto siya. Kasi may patawid. Ganyan dito.
So she's going to your house to drop the boys.
Kami sa Arlington.
Probably, sir.
It's pretty Lexi. She's so pretty now.
She's a pretty girl.
And, smell.
It really smells good.
Smells good. Balik kami sa Bluebird Cafe. Guys. Busog ako. I'm still full.
Yeah, well, we had a big
Busog
breakfast.
ako, sumasakit tiyan ko. Bilis maglakad. Here, love. Here, Sissy.
There's go a little bit.
Gusto siya makita nung ano doon. Waitress sa cafe. Kaya babalik kami. Ayan. Guys. Here we go. Where is she? Here. Here. Guys, bumalik kami dito.
Come around. Oh my goodness. You little thing.
Oh, I know. He's full of that. He's a good dog. 3 years old, almost 3.5 years old now. He's 3 pounds.
Well, I've been here a year and a half, so